So here's the timing. Just hours before NASA drops their own high-resolution images of 3I Atlas, we suddenly get brand new live telescope shots from Italy. And honestly, these images give us the clearest view yet of what this thing is doing out there. Let's walk through what we saw. The virtual telescope project finally got a clean patch of sky after days of terrible weather. And right away, the tail jumps out, long, sharp, structured, and way more detailed than anything we've seen so far. These weren't stacked composites. These were raw 2-minute exposures coming straight off the telescope. And the details are wild. There's a long primary tail, a faint curl near the core, and even a subtle anti-tail which shows up beautifully in the inverted image. Now, that tail shape lines up perfectly with a rotating nucleus. If it really is spinning every 16 hours, this is exactly the kind of dust pattern you'd expect. And the core, even in raw frames, the nucleus looks tight and stable. No splitting, no wobbling, no weird distortions. Everything we're seeing matches one thing. This is still a single solid object. During the live stream, they also pulled up the orbit, and the eccentricity is above 6. That's not just hyperbolic, that's extreme. And it's another sign that this thing came from way beyond the solar system. They even showed older images from July and August, when 3I Atlas was literally just a dot. Compare that to the live images today, and you see how much this thing has changed as it swung around the sun. And now, here's the big part. NASA is about to release its own images from multiple spacecraft and telescopes. These should be the sharpest photos we've seen so far. And if the nucleus has any cracks or unusual outflows, we're going to see it immediately. So that's where we're at. Fresh live images, a stable nucleus, a complex tail, and NASA stepping in. Next, I'll cover the NASA images the moment they drop. Stay tuned, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.